Himalayan mountain ranges are an important example of mountains and lie in the north. In the mountain regions, it is cold throughout the year. There are many peaks in these mountains. Most of them remain covered with snow. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the Himalayan mountain range as well as in the world. It lies on the Nepal-China border. Did you know many people have tried to climb the Everest? Many of them had succeeded. The very first people to climb the Mount Everest are Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. The peaks of the mountains remained covered with snow. This snow melts and forms rivers. Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj and Brahmaputra originates in these mountains and flow down to the plains. Mountain glaciers are the main source of rivers. Thus, these rivers have water even in summer. Do you know that a massive earthquake in Nepal in 2015 reduced the height of the Mount Everest by few inches? Now let's learn about plains. Plains are flat or level lands. To the south of the Himalaya lie the Great Plains of India. Rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna flow through these plains and make the land green and fertile. Many crops are thus grown in these plains. Narrow strips of land along the eastern and western coast of India are known as Eastern Coastal Plains and Western Coastal Plains. These plains meet at Kanyakumari. Rivers namely Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow through them. In the plains, the summers are hot and winters are cold. The region is thickly populated. Many well-known cities and towns are located along the banks of the river Ganga and Yamuna. The coastal areas are neither very hot nor very cold. Do you know, children, why are the Great Plains also known as the food basket of India? The Great Plains is called the food bowl of India because plenty of food crops are grown here due to the presence of alluvial soil and availability of water. Example, rice, wheat, oil seeds, etc. Now, let us learn about plateaus. Plateaus are highlands with steep sides and a flat top. The southern part of India is a plateau. It is also known as the Deccan Plateau. It is called a tableland in some places. It covers a large area and is surrounded by hill ranges on three sides. Some parts of it are covered with thick forest. The land is hard and rocky and not very fertile. Rivers Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow across plateaus before reaching the coastal plains. A piece of land surrounded by water bodies on three sides is known as a peninsula. The southern part of India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. The Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south.